Good morning, everybody. What are we doing today? Today we're heading out to Rodman Reservoir. We're gonna meet up with a crew from Jacksonville called Jeeps from Jacksonville, and we're gonna go ride out for a couple hours. We'll keep you updated. Should be fun. Never been there before, so let's see what it's all about. So there's the other one from the house, and let's hit the road. Hey folks, I'm gonna try something a little different today. I'm gonna record with both my phone and the GoPro. Right now I'm on the GoPro, so hopefully you can hear me and see everything pretty good. It's just as you're driving and trying to record at the same time, it becomes a little hard maneuvering the phone. Plus I'm using the phone as a GPS, so. But we're down here at Rodman Reservoir. It's in Palatka, and I'm gonna meet a group here. They're called Jeepers from Jacksonville. They're supposed to be meeting down here to do a trail run. It's supposed to be just a nice, friendly trail. Never been here before, first time. So hopefully we'll have a good old time. It's a little chilly out right now. It's approximately 8:30, 8:40 in the morning. So as soon as we get down here, it's supposed to be a good camping spot, fishing spot. I really didn't know. I just saw the sign. If I would have known it earlier, I probably would have bought my camping gear. But we will see what this looks like. We should be approaching the dam. Let's see here. We still got a ways to go, but let me just keep recording and I'll keep you. We're approaching the dam. Like I said, I've never been here before. I wanted you guys to look at it. It's supposed to be some great fishing out here. Bass, catfish. And this is just stuff that I'm reading off of Google. But as you can see, nice big lake. A lot of people come out here fishing. There's people out there now. You have boats. You have a lot of things out here. Guess I'm gonna have to come back here, go fishing. The group is supposed to be meeting past the dam. I see a vehicle down further. I hope I'm in the right spot. Like I said, I've never been here before. I was just trying to follow instructions, directions. But I guess we shall see if there's anybody down here. Hopefully I'm not the first one, because it's 9. It's supposed to be at 9. Like I said, it's 8:47 right now. We're getting ready to go. You can see we got a nice group here. They're all from Jacksonville, most of them. There's a couple of us that just got here, and then here's one of the other ones from home. So let's go out and have some fun. Let's go check this out. All right. Here we go. I can tell you what, we just started, and I'm coming back already. Just looks like so much fun. I don't know how many Jeeps we have all together. I'll record later. But I want to say there's probably, I know there's more than 10. We're gonna go this way. There's bathrooms there, male, female. And then, I don't know if you can see behind me, nice little group in the back. But Soft sand. Looking like a lot of fun. Idle speed is what it says right there.
Yeah, back standing. I'm not sure he's the last one behind me. We're about 4 or 5 from the back. So Mike said he's waiting for somebody in a white Jeep today. He's going to follow us, and then I'll go in front of him. I'm all in the back.
Let's stop recording for a minute there. Had to put it on 4 low. And now we're trying to catch up with everybody. Right, let's try this again. Where you at? There it comes. A lot of sand. Some pinstriping. Not much. We stopped here for a minute. Put this back. First gear, neutral, just wait until we take off.
Thanks.
Might have to do pee-pee already.
Take the backing off. No, there's a hole there. Alright, I won't ask. Well, I'm gonna tell you, I went to go pick up that Grand Cherokee that I'm swapping, and it had the wrong ball on the back. Oh my god. I already know what the story's gonna be about. Oh yeah, I wanted to cry. I wanted to cry. Oh man. I've been cheaper for a new tailgate. About the same damn thing. Mine's just the hole the size of the hitch. But yeah, that's pretty nice.
See how this is?